Monreale, just south of Palermo on the hills with 39,000 inhabitants, offers stunning views over coastline and inlands, but the highlight is actually the main church, Cappella del Duomo di Monreale. It was built as a political statement, as for artistic show-off, and is the most important Norman architectural monument in Sicily. The whole Norman kingdom is represented here with extraordinary art history. The cathedral was built by William II and first work finished 1100s and then be going on for centuries. I can't stop filming and photographing all these mosaics because they cover 6,340 square meters, where you can follow stories from the Old and New Testament, the creation, Eve, fall of man, and so on. I bought the full ticket to also visit the roofs and then the cloister. If you're afraid of heights or suffer from claustrophobia, you may avoid the roof. All columns in the cloister differs, and there are 26 arcs and 228 columns, with all kinds of figures like animals, humans and beasts.